All right. We think we've got it. Give the camera a thumbs up.
3, 2, 1.
Woo!
3, 2, 1.
Where did that go?
Nice.
Oh, dang.
I don't even see it. Oh. What do you have to say about your rocket?
It didn't blow up.
Sadly.
Sadly.
Pad, make sure that key is out.
Okay.
The key does not go in until you are ready to launch. It's a very important safety rule.
So, are we ready?
Are we
I think
ready?
we are. You have to hold it in.
Yeah, you have to hold that down,
Okay.
and you hold that one down.
Okay.
And give us a loud 3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh.
Oh, dude.
What is the name of this beautiful rocket?
The Daddy Rocket 2.0.
Aye.
Hey.
How far do you think this rocket is gonna go?
No, you should have named it Baby
50
Rocket.
feet plus.
Nice.
3, 2, 1.
A lot more than 50 feet. Tell you that.
Wow, look at that. Let's get some people in here.
American. Why does no one use American system? American.
3, 2, 1.
Where'd they go?
Whoa!
We know you could.
Sorry,
Don't pull, don't pull.
You guys. So we're gonna get them working.
3, 2, 1.
Nice. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, what?
Dang, that actually went high.
Good job!